Pero, Mr. Chair, alam mo, na-politika lamang ito, alam ko naman eh, dahil sa... Hindi, pakisabi nyo lang kung masyad tayong malayo.
Malayong malayo po, Senator.
Salamat po. Kasi, ah, from 1 billion in 2018, 2019, pagkatapos, pinakamataas nyo, 2023, 1.2 billion. Pagkatapos biglang bumagsak sa 200 million. Then 100 million in 2025. Fortunately, sa NEP, nakikita namin parang itataas nila sa 450-something million. Paano kayo makakalaban nito, madam? Kasi parang sa digmaan lang ito eh. If you are not complete with ammunition, how do you think you are able to survive the battle we call tourism?
We have nothing but a plastic bullet, Senator,
That's not good enough, Madam Secretary.
which is why it is also of grave concern to us that
Nagtataka lang
the
kasi
budget
ako,
has been reduced.
kasi 2025, wala pa ba si former Congresswoman Migs sa'yo noong 2025? Wala pa, ano? Siya na ba noong 2025? Ngayon?
Congresswoman Migs po, can I clarify po, sino po si Congresswoman Migs?
Hindi. Kapag-alan niyo ba to?
Kapatid.
Kapatid.
Indo.
Ikaw ba yun? Sorry kasi parang kamukha mo siya.
Indo.
Kasi kasama ka colleague ko siya. Medyo malabo ang mata ko, malayo pa siya. So akala ko kasi nandit siya, kasama niyo siya ngayon. I meant to ask you sana, you could have utilized her kung siya si Migs, no? To charm the Speaker of the House of Representatives. Kilala mo siya, ma'am, di ba?
Hi, Sen, Mr. Chair, yes. No, ako si Marga Nograles. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of the Tourism.
Kaya po yung butihing wife ng aking kaibigan, Caro Nograles. Kayo din po yung nagbigay sa akin ng magandang polo na dalawa.
Yes, Sen.
Pasensya na po, napagkamalan ko kayo po si Congresswoman Migs. Pero kahit na ganoon, kasi si Kong Carlo tsaka si Congresswoman Migs, magkakamag-anak naman kayo. Bakit hindi nagamit ni Secretary para i-charm si Speaker Martin Romualdez? Para sana itong hindi naman 100 million. Ang layo naman ito. It's less than 10% of your original appropriation para sa promotion. Promotion pa naman ito eh. Paano nyo namang ipopromote naman ang industry? Wala bang explanation from 1.2 billion, ginawan 200, pagkatapos 100 million? What was the explanation, madam? Kasi pwedeng i-reverse ni chairman ito eh. Pwede niyang ibalik sa 1.2 billion eh. Sir Chair, ano? As long as you are able to justify.
Mr. Chair and Senator Marcoleta, first of all, I think what has become abundantly clear to us in the department is that the power of the purse lies entirely with Congress, and therefore the exercise of their discretion is beyond our control. Notwithstanding that, when I learned of the slashing of the budget, I did make my appeals and sought to have interventions and representations with the leadership in order to plead that the budget not be slashed in the manner that it was. But at the end of the day, we can only ask, and it is for them to deny. And clearly, exercising this power of the purse, the budget has fallen victim to that. I wish to clarify that it is also not
Sorry to interfere. Doon po sa punto, no, I would just like to ask. The budget, yung pong point out ni Senator Marcoleta, 2025 secretaries, 100 million.
That's
But
correct.
the NEP of this was about 500 million. So it was
That is
slashed
correct.
after the sa GAA, it became 100 from a NEP of 500 million.
That is correct, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
please continue.
Pero, Mr. Chair, alam mo, na politika lamang ito, alam ko naman eh, dahil sa... But the chief casualty is the Filipino people. If you are unable to promote the tourism sector, mawawalan po ang Pilipino. Dapat hindi pinipolitika ito eh. Anong problema eh? Kasi ako, na-feel ko mismo ang politika doon eh. Kahit wala kang kasalanan, pinagtatanggol mo lang ang tama. Katulad nyo, politika ang nangyari. How else will you be able to explain this? 100 million from 1.2 billion. Alam naman nila kung anong epekto nito eh. You will not be able to pursue anything good here. Promotion po ito eh. Nakikipaglaban po tayo. Ang gaganda po nung tourism packages ng ating, huwag na tayong lumayo sa malalayo pa, like Dubai, what, dito lang sa Malaysia, sa Thailand, sa Vietnam, kung wala po tayong sapat na perang gagamitin para lumaban tayo. You're merely spinning wheels. So, Mr. Chair, kasi siguro nasa balikat mo ngayon na ibalik natin ito, siguro. Kung gusto po rin nyo. Salamat po, Mr. Chair. Inahan po kung ako na lang ang panginoon ako.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. I guess you hit the nail right on the head. Mukhang yun na nga rin ng point out talaga natin sa umagang ito. So again, for the record, Madam Secretary, yung budget of 2025 from 500 million, then it was slashed to 100 million. I wanted to find out yung 2024 if it's the same. 500 also. And then it became it was slashed to 200 million. So now, yung net natin is about 500 million. We're still awaiting for the HGAB, no? After the budget deliberations. But at least now you will have, be rest assured that you will have allies here right now, no? Senator Marcoleta put it, the way we put it, na it's sad that politics has again, I'm hoping it's not, pero it seems like it, no? That it's not the legislators who are victims here. It's the Filipino people who will lose the opportunity. And I don't think we can really compete with 100 million compared to our ASEAN neighbors budget. Yung pong na-point out nyo, no? Talagang, as you mentioned, malayong-malayo. I was able to see it earlier, no? Can you flash it on the screen? Yan po. That's how much, if you could compare to our neighbors, yun po siguro, Malaysia na lang, Vietnam, ano pa ba iba? Thailand, and how far are we? Para so that the committee will just be on record, we will have an idea as to what kind of budget the Department of Tourism is working on right now.
Mr. Chair, Yusek Verna will answer the question.
Please proceed.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Actually, on the screen, we have a comparative analysis of the various ASEAN budgets in relation to tourism development. So for 2024, for example, we have Indonesia having an amount of about 234 million compared to the 52 million of the Department of Tourism in terms of dollars. For Thailand, it's 168 million dollars. For Malaysia, it's $262 million. For Vietnam, it's $148 million. And Singapore is $431 million, the biggest budget among the ASEAN countries. So it's really very, very far and very big compared to the budget that has been allocated to the Department of Tourism.
Yung po Cambodia, I think Cambodia is also getting a lot of arrivals. Are they spending so much also?
In terms of Cambodia, Mr. Chair, we have the figure for 2023, but this one is about $20 million. But 2023, that's the only figure that we have been
About
able
$1 billion pesos.
About 1 million something.
1 billion
pesos, yes.
Yung Vietnam, again, ma'am.
Vietnam is about for 2024. Just a minute. Their budget is about $148 million.
So in peso, that's how much compared to us?
That's
to ours?
about 8.4 billion.
8.4 billion. So they're spending 8.4 billion to compare to our 100 million. Ganun ba yung difference?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
2024.